Let's review the setup of the membrane peeling kit. Take the reusable eye out of its protective container. To open it, snap off the eye front. Take one of the consumable retinas with the membrane already on it. Place it in the back half of the eye and snap on the eye front. The eye is now ready to go. Now that you know how to set up the eye for the membrane peeling kit, here's how to use the retina with the membrane on it. In general, we work with an air-filled environment. It's a very easy setup and the realism is excellent. You can increase the realism by adding water to the back half of the eye. Fill it up about 2/3 of the way and then attach the eye front. At this point, with the water in there, you want to peel the membrane within about 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise it comes off too easily. Here's a Dr. Stoll tip when inserting the retina. I like to align the optic nerve on the retina image with the suction cup release tab. That way, I always know where the optic nerve is when the eye is closed. The lighted base in the membrane peeling kit supports the eye and also provides posterior illumination. It uses 3 AA batteries. To access it, rotate counterclockwise to open it. I like to have one battery flipped around. That way, during travel, the light can't come on by accident. Reinstall the light on its base by aligning the tabs in the slots and rotate clockwise. The light is now ready to use. The first time you use it, you can use the suction cup to help press and release to make sure that it's functional. Let's review the optional rechargeable light source for the membrane peeling kit. The light source can be activated by a simple click on the back button. A half press without the click noise will advance through 4 intensity levels. A full click will turn the light off. Once it's on, a double half press activates the strobe mode, which we don't want to use. We recommend the 3rd or 4th light intensity levels. When you turn the light off and turn it back on, it will resume at the previous setting, and you can advance through additional settings as needed. The rechargeable light source in the membrane peeling kit can work with various light pipes from different manufacturers. We do that by supplying different adapter caps. For example, this one is to use with the Alcon light pipes. Attach it to the light source, and then the Alcon plug will simply plug right into it. Then, when we turn it on, we have light, and it can then be easily unplugged from the cap. An alternate adapter cap would be this style. It works with many other types of plugs that are much slimmer. When placing this on here, I like to loosen this, but not all the way so that it comes out. Then this plug can slide all the way in until you feel it stop against the flashlight. Tighten it down, and it will also provide a good light source. To remove it, you can simply slide it out. Unless it's too tight, loosen it, and it can be taken out. I hope that helps.